Winter doesn't mean you have to give up on fresh herbs. In today's video, I'll show you some simple yet genius indoor herb garden hacks that will keep your home green and vibrant, even when it's freezing outside. First, let's talk about the best herbs to grow indoors during winter. Hardy herbs like thyme, rosemary, sage, mint, and parsley thrive in cooler conditions, making them ideal for your indoor garden. For a bit of warmth-loving flavor, you can also grow basil or cilantro, but keep these near a sunny window for the best results. The key to growing healthy herbs indoors is finding the perfect spot. Most herbs need at least 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight. A south-facing window is ideal, but if you don't have enough natural light, don't worry. Use an affordable LED grow light to give your herbs the boost they need. Choose well-draining soil designed for indoor plants. This prevents root rot, which can be common during winter when watering isn't as frequent. Use pots with drainage holes to let excess water escape and avoid waterlogged roots. Want to get creative? Try upcycling containers like mason jars or old teacups for your herbs. Just make sure to add a layer of small stones or gravel at the bottom for drainage. One of the biggest mistakes people make is overwatering. Herbs like their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Here's a hack. Stick your finger an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. And always water at the base of the plant, not the leaves. To make life easier, try a DIY self-watering system using a plastic bottle. Cut the bottle in half, flip the top into the base, and fill with water. The soil will draw up moisture as needed. Herbs prefer a temperature range of 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep them away from drafty windows or heating vents to prevent temperature stress. In winter, indoor air can get dry, so use a humidifier or mist your plants lightly to mimic their natural environment. Since herbs grow slower in winter, feed them with a diluted organic fertilizer once every 4 to 6 weeks. This keeps them healthy without overloading them with nutrients. Regular pruning is key to keeping herbs bushy and productive. Snip the top leaves often, but never take more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Running out of counter space? Try creating a vertical herb garden using a hanging shoe organizer. Just fill each pocket with soil and plant a different herb, perfect for small apartments. For tech lovers, consider a small hydroponic system. It's mess-free, uses minimal space, and grows herbs faster than traditional soil methods. With these hacks, you can enjoy fresh, aromatic herbs all winter long, right in the comfort of your home. Not only will they elevate your cooking, but they'll also brighten your space and your mood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Let me know in the comments which herbs you're planning to grow indoors this winter. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.